Pagod ka na ba sa overthinking at stress? What if today you choose peace instead of pressure? Hi, ako si Lola Ellen. Welcome sa Faith plus Frequency. Dito, we combine biblical, faith, and science-based renewal para maranasan mo ang tunay na healing. Romans 12 verse 2 says, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Science agrees, kung saan nakatutok ang isip mo, doon pumupunta ang energy ng katawan mo. Stress attracts more stress. Pero faith attracts peace. Alam mo, dati, ang dami kong worries. Finances, health, future. Pero nung natutunan kong isurrender kay Lord, unti-unti ring gumaan ang shoulders ko. Kasi peace started to replace stress. Tonight, sabihin mo ito, Lord, I release my stress. I receive your peace. Breathe in peace, breathe out pressure. Laging tandaan, habang may buhay, may pag-asa. God bless you.